Right from the start, we've tried to throw a protective ring around our care homes.
A quarter of all COVID-19 deaths were recorded in care homes.
Since March, more than 1 in 4 of their residents have died.
Common rooms are empty, residents are confined to their bedrooms.
This disease is ripping through their care homes and going unchecked.
I've seen people who have easily had 5-10 years left die in 4 days.
So many deaths in so short a time is like nothing before.
So we're using a plastic apron.
I left him on the 22nd of March and I never spoke to him again.
Every day somebody died, every day.
Anita Astle saw almost a quarter of her residents die of COVID-19.
This virus is just wiping people out. But we're just trying to be strong for the residents we've got left.
And I'm glad we've been able to protect the majority of homes, and we'll keep working to strengthen the protective ring that we've cast around all our care homes.
Care homes across the UK have struggled with residents coming to them from hospitals.
The NHS needed to free up 30,000 beds by discharging patients into care homes.
I read the hospital discharge policy and there was no mention of care homes protecting people at the receiving end of those patients, none at all.
And in April, it advised that negative COVID tests were not required.
The vast majority of staff have not been tested.
75% say there's been no testing of residents and 80% no testing of staff.
The government promised staff would get a COVID-19 test every week, residents every month. But Anita has been waiting 3 weeks for the testing kits to arrive.
Have you been tested?
No.
You've still not been tested?
No.
My care staff are going into a care home where 7 people died of COVID and still today, the residents have not been tested.
Do you think now the government threw a protective ring around the care homes?
I think absolutely the government...
You do?
Yes, I do, because...
Too many care homes didn't really follow the procedures in the way that they could have.
Why are we destroying everything for people who will die anyway soon? Who said that, Mr. Cummings?
I think it was the PM.
He's obsessed with older people accepting their fate and letting the young get on with life and the economy going.
25,000 people were discharged into care homes in 1 month in England. They weren't tested, most of them.
How are you? Broken, I think. Yep.